in a making, stitching a rhythm of a brand new dawn. Every heartbeat echo with a plan I've drawn. Footsteps hungry for the morning light. Chase the vision till it starts their flight.
Velvet dreams I've never shown, whispered hope beneath my skin.
Up, every move's a tight win. Saw the suits from the curb. Now I'm eye to eye in boardrooms. They said I wouldn't make it. Now I'm setting new fortunes. Every setback was a lesson. Built stepping stones from the rubble. Grit turned to gold when I learned to thrive in the struggle.
Now, this is original music created by ElevenLabs Music. For those who don't know ElevenLabs is a text-to-speech AI tool. It's the best text-to-speech AI tool actually. The same AI tool that allows you to clone your own voice, change voices, create sound effects, isolate voices, and so on. Now they have expanded into music creation with the launch of ElevenLabs Music, a new tool that lets users generate original songs from text prompts. Unlike other music AI tools like Suno and Udio, where you have to enter your own lyrics, ElevenLabs Music only reads your prompt and crafts original lyrics from scratch. Then add a genre-specific music to it, and you have exactly what you just heard. It's all about the vibe and theme you feed into the prompt. Let's create an Afrobeat music using a prompt. I'm going to enter this prompt, an Afrobeat groove about dreams stitched into the rhythm of tomorrow, where ambition dances to every drum. This is something you can come up with using ChatGPT or Copilot. Now select the number of variants, 1 or 2. I'm going to select 1. Then you have to select the duration, 1 to 4 minutes, or just select auto and let ElevenLabs Music control the duration. Then click generate. From there, it will generate both lyrics and music tailored to that prompt. You don't control the line, but you do guide the feeling, the imagery and style with your prompt. It will add the style, create the verse, the chorus and hooks, and once done, this is the result. Now click to play.
Dreams in a making, stitching a rhythm of a brand new dawn. Every heartbeat echo with a plan I've drawn. Footsteps hungry for the morning light. Chase the vision till it starts their flight. I am now ambition on the rise. Feel it spark ignite inside. We plan for tomorrow, dreams in every drum. Ambition on the move, feel the rhythm come. Heartbeat as one under the rising sun. In this groove we trust, our journey's just begun. Step by step we climb toward the skies. Bright eyes reflecting on our borders lives. Hand in hand we paint the future bright. Walking on the notes of every sleepless night. Dream on, dream on. Ambitions rising, nowhere to hide us.
With after tomorrow, dreams in every region. Ambition on the move, feel the rhythm come. Heartbeat as one on the rising sun. It is good, we trust our journey's just begun. Dreaming in the rhythm, drum yet tomorrow.
Now, this is actually good if you ask me. This is actually original and this is real Afrobeat. Now, you can't control much except generate your music. But I'm sure one would like to be in control of some parts of the music generation, which you can do right now. This is really good. Now let's create another one. This time I'm going to create some R&B music. So I'm going to copy this prompt suggestion Like I said, you can use ChatGPT or Copilot, and these are some prompt suggestions. Paste. In the prompt, it has the style, the title, and then of course the genre of the music. Make sure you have something like this and generate, and it will craft another music that fits the vibe and theme that you have in the prompt. And I see that you can add sections to it. This allows you to increase the duration or even reduce it if you want. You can delete a section, add to the lyrics, or even delete some part of the lyrics, but this is actually done after the music generation. I think you should be able to do this before the music is generated. Otherwise, we'll just be wasting credit. This is the result. Now click to play.
Soft steps. Midnight thoughts keep me turning. Quiet flame inside, still burning. Every heartbeat carries a weight I own. In the hush, I rise alone. I've been patient in the shadows, learning strength inside.
Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to copy this. Let's do hip hop actually. I'm going to copy this and then paste one variant, then auto, and click generate.
From the pavement to the skyline, we rise up. Clock ticks, grind never stops. I'm chasing that skyline. Roadside dreams on dash. Vision crystal in my mind. Hustle in my veins. Blood, sweat, paved the blueprint. No handouts, all stands up. Every move's a tight win. Saw the suits from the curb. Now I'm eye to eye in boardrooms. They said I wouldn't make it. Now I'm setting new fortunes. Every setback was a lesson. Built stepping stones from the rubble. Grit turned to gold when I learned to thrive in the struggle. We grind till we shine, no sleep in our souls. Turn vision into gold, yeah, we're taking control. Roadside to boardroom, this fire won't fold. Hustle is the anthem, ambition in bold. Got my blueprint, tattooed map of every ambition. Every loss was tuition, success part of the mission. Haters in the rear view, fuel for ignition. Fuel up, full throttle, manifest the vision. Late nights in the lab, crafting syllables with purpose. Mindset on a mission, no room left for nervous. Stack goals like bricks, build a
So compared to Suno and Udio, this is still very much new. With Suno and Udio, you are in control of the lyrics. You can even isolate your vocals, drums, or other parts of the music for remixing and much more. But I'm sure ElevenLabs will get better and they will incorporate these functions into ElevenLabs music. I'm sure there will be some feedback and they will actually make it better. Now you can actually create some music without even trying. Just add prompts, generate, and then you have your music. So you can create different genre of music: Afrobeat, pop, hip hop, reggae, and so on. So check it out yourself and see what you can do with ElevenLabs music. So if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.